In the last couple of videos we talked about how to get outside of our bubble, our ego, and how to receive healing energy from above and beyond. And also we talked about the nature of the flow of that energy as being an unconditional, endless, one-way flow of energy. So if you watch those videos, fantastic. Today what we're going to talk about is how to tune into that energy, how to tune into healing energy. So let me use a common example of tuning in. Here we have a house, and on the roof of the house we have a satellite dish, and up here we have a satellite. So in order to receive information from a satellite, we need a receiving device. The information comes from the satellite in the form of waves. So those waves are electromagnetic energy, and they transmit information. So in a similar fashion to this, we need to tune in to receive healing energy. The thing with the satellite dish is it's capable of receiving many frequencies. Now if we want to receive a particular frequency, in this case healing energy, we need to tune in to that frequency. Now I've got a little example of this on a video to show you, so have a look at this. What you would have noticed in that video is that there's two identical tuning forks. Those two tuning forks, because they're identical, resonate with each other. And a common thing we experience in life with resonance is when we encounter people that we're on the same wavelength with, we feel a connection with, there's this kind of resonance that happens between us. The interesting thing with the example of the tuning forks is, for example, if this was one tuning fork and this was the other one, is that because they're on the same frequency, because they're on the same wavelength, the information is transmitted from one to another. And you would have noticed the second tuning fork just started ringing by itself. And this is the beauty of healing energy, and the example we're using here is that when healing energy is transmitted from the source, from the ultimate infinite source of healing energy, all we have to do is to tune in, and we'll automatically start resonating like that second tuning fork with the energy. So in essence, there's no effort required on our part. All we need to do is tune in and we'll start receiving that energy. The second little clip I wanted to show you is what happens when we're not in tune with that energy. Have a look at this one. Okay, you will have noticed in that clip that there was a weight applied to the second fork. And what that did is it changed the frequency of that fork, and it was unable to receive the energy. In life, we have a similar thing happen to us. As we go through life, we start to take on baggage, or we start to accumulate energy in our bodies, in our minds, and emotionally, physically. And what those things do is they interfere with our ability to stay in tune and to receive the healing energy. And we're going to get to that a little bit later on, is how you can actually get yourself in tune and how you can stay in tune and how you can receive that energy. So for now, just let it be known that this is the process really. It's just a matter of simply being on the right wavelength and tuning in and receiving the energy. I just wanted to leave you with this. The nature of healing energy is very, very similar to this waveform. So we've got several things that come in waveforms in the world. We've got sound, heat, light, and we've also got information. And we know that we use the energy fields around the earth, the electromagnetic fields around the earth, to transmit information. So along with heat, light, sound comes information. And all of those things are present with healing energy, and we experience basically all of those things when we start receiving healing energy. So it's very interesting, the correlation between those things. In the next video, we're going to talk about the nature of healing energy and exactly how to identify it, what it is, what the characteristics are when it starts to enter your body, so you know that you're receiving the actual healing energy. So that's going to be interesting. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.